I'm going to replace a starter on this 2010 Nissan Versa. We've made sure that the battery is in good shape. This car's experienced no start condition. There's quite a few components in the way. Undo the upper radiator hose. I'm going to remove the lower radiator hose as well. We're going to reinstall the new starter motor, and we're going to put the radiator back in. Let's reconnect the lower radiator hose, reconnect the upper radiator hose, reinstall the coolant reservoir.